Greetings, Instagram lovers. In today's episode, we'll learn how to strengthen your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. Follow these simple steps to protect your profile. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Here, select Settings and Privacy. Within Settings and Privacy, look for the option called Meta Account Center and click on it. This will take us to an area where we can manage the security of our accounts. Within the Meta Account Center, locate the Password and Security section. This is where we will find the settings we need. Click on Two-Factor Authentication to access the two-factor authentication options. Choose the Instagram account for which you want to enable two-factor authentication. You will then be offered options to receive authentication codes. You can choose between an authentication app, text message, or WhatsApp. In this tutorial, we will select the text message method. Enter your number and wait for the code to arrive. When you receive the code, enter it into the app. And you're done. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. And that concludes this tutorial. Remember, the security of your account is key. If you liked this video and found the information useful, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.